Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can withdraw docs to Bitget wallet. So this is the process that I mentioned here. So the first step, you need to log in into your current wallet or exchange. Access the wallet or exchange where your docs tokens are currently stored. Locate the withdraw option, navigate to the wallet or asset section and find the option to withdraw or send. Then you need to select dog as an asset, and then you need to copy your Bitget wallet address. Once you've done that, you need to enter withdrawal details, review the transaction details, and then you need to confirm the withdraw. And then you need to wait for the transaction to process and check your Bitget wallet. You have docs in your wallet. So this is a process that you need to follow to withdraw docs to Bitget wallet. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.